The Troubadour in Austin, Texas. Its pool was completely renovated by Cody Pools Commercial. Perhaps even more remarkable than the stunning finished pool is how the Cody Pools Commercial team made it all happen within a restrictive construction space. The challenges began with the Troubadour's location. Positioned between Interstate 35 and a narrow road, crane access wasn't an option. Alternatively, nearly every piece of demolition debris and building material had to pass through a small window measuring just 24 by 30 inches. Each piece of structural foam was cut into sections small enough to fit through the second-story window, and 17 bundles of rebar were carefully carried in one at a time. Because this is a podium pool, the structure sits on a waterproof vault right beneath the surface. The team had to work around the existing plumbing infrastructure while integrating it into the new build above at each phase of the project. And to transport the massive amount of shotcrete concrete needed for the rebuild, the team designed a custom pipe system, stretching from the second-story pool all the way to the I-35 service road. This is where material was delivered and pumped directly to the pool's location. This phase alone took 5 days to complete. When limited site access created challenges, it took the careful planning, ingenuity, and experience of the Cody Pools commercial team to make it all happen. The result is a completely transformed space. And now the Troubadour has a state-of-the-art oasis for its tenants to enjoy. Built by the #1 commercial pool builder, Cody Pools Commercial.